Hello, my magical, beautiful beings. Get ready. My name is Alfred Mystic T. We're gonna talk about leadership. I channeled this beautiful. Honestly, I don't really know how to call my channeling. Is it art? Is it a painting? Is it a drawing? Anyway, this is something I channeled today. I saw this image yesterday in my vision. I was not able to sleep. I was thinking that, okay, let me sleep at least for an hour because the visions were so intense. And in the morning when I woke up, I went to the shop, I got this. I know, beautiful, beautiful, magical art book. Also, I got some pencils. Also, I have some acrylic paints. I'm gonna channel, I'm gonna create a lot. As a mystic, I translate energies. I receive visions, and the fastest way for me is to draw them. I can talk about it, I can explain, but drawing is the way that also helps others to understand what I'm talking about. Because as a mystic, I translate abstract, spiritual concepts into teachings. So other beings, humans, can understand. What do I say? What keys I reveal? Because what I also do is I reveal deep, sacred, secret mysteries that are hidden in the depths of our primal essence. I reveal the keys of death, of life, and of resurrection, of rebirth. I am an androgynous spirit. I am the bridge between duality, feminine, masculine, darkness, light. I am the mystery. I am the bridge, as I said. I am in between. I am third kind that can see these energies, that duality. The truth is Trinity. Everything has at least three options. There is yes, there is no, and there is maybe. This is not something I just picked up. It was always in the core, and now I master all my skills. I understand my abilities, and I'm here for you. I'm here to translate the teachings of other dimensions, of other realities that most of the people don't have allowance to enter. And it doesn't mean it's good, it doesn't mean it's bad, it's just what we do, what our kind is doing. Other beings, they build, they create, you should just know what is your thing. If it comes naturally, listen to the voice. I'm gonna call it leader's breath. If you want to activate your inner leader, then listen to what I'm gonna say. Red, in this particular image, embodies primal energy, but the being is going inwards. Red is associated with root chakra, with the foundation, with our roots, with our ancestral line, with our lineage, with really primal energies, with the blood, with birth, with passion, with fire, with volcanic energy, everything really that gives you action, that gives you motivation. It really activates inner fire to move, to do something. It's a very active expansion energy. In the bottom and around the field, you can see this repetitive letter M. Let's say it's M because it is. But also it's number 1. Also repetitive. 1, 1. This is how leaders breathe. Number 1 has an energy of a leader. We know that. This is the first number that came from 0, from womb, from the beginning. But also 0 is very magical, interesting, and mystical number because you never know what is in that 0. But anyway, 1 came from the 0. She gave a birth to a leader, and now it's new life, and you make an inhale. It's your first breath. Leader's breath, because the way you breathe is very important. And also we can see that this being is making an inhale. Look at his stomach. It's the inhale that goes inside, yeah, inwards. Everything here is kind of passive around its volcano, its fire element, its primal foundational energies. It's the law, it's the essence of this active material matter. Also, this rhythm contains Nordic rune Tevas. It represents God Tur. It's Tuesday. It's the energy of Mars. It looks like an arrow. It's very penetrative energy. It's masculine. It's active force. It's everything about the law. And again, foundation. This symbol was depicted on the shields to protect them. And it also protects both spiritual warriors and physical warriors. Tur is the god of war. So it's a very powerful energy. And we can see here, number 1, Nordic rune Tevas, and M. M is matter. M is a mystic. There are so many breathing exercises, and if you never tried one, you can try this one. This M, or repetitive 1, represents breath. If you want to relax, or there are so many things in your life that you control, so many responsibilities, and you have often headaches, or just you are tired, you want to take some time and go inwards, take some time for yourself, then you can try this one. So you take long deep inhale, your first inhale as a leader. So this first line represents long deep inhale, then you make a short exhale, then again short inhale, and then you go down with a long deep exhale. You just continue to follow this M, or number 1, because M is matter, M is money, M is management, M is manifestation, M is mystic, M is magic. M is so many beautiful things that we want to attract, that we want to embody. So this really works. Honestly, I never knew about it. I never heard about it. This is what I received from the source, and I'm gonna, of course, practice this every time when I feel exhausted, when I just want to say, stop the time, everything exterior, everything that is out of me, pause, freeze. Also, the genitalia of this being is blue. Why? It represents cold. It represents the pause of your sexual energy, of your creative energy. Because our genitalia, they represent life force. But in this image, it's cold, it's freezed, it's on pause. That's why it's blue. The purple earring represents Trinity, androgynous spirit. It's the color between blue and red. Red is fire, blue is water, and when you mix them together, you get purple. So you can hear everything that is happening out of your state, everything that is happening inside as connecting to the source, and you can hear yourself, your mind, your human organism, because it's different. It's not your spirit, it's not your soul, it's not your source, but it's their creation, it's the projection. Yellow cloak means trust the universe. This is your support. The universe is abundant and you are protected. Trust. White face represents no face at all. It's not out yet, because the process is happening inside. We still don't know what will be revealed, what type of leader it will be. No color, no expression. It's quiet, it's meditative, it's mysterious. It gives you blank canvas. It gives you no face. This is no one. This is nothing. Sometimes you have to be nothing, to understand who you are or who you want to be, what role you are gonna play next. You see, there is so many things you can discover through art. Do you like to go to the museums? If you do, you know what I'm talking about, because everyone will see something personal in at least 1 out of 1,000 paintings. Something will speak to your inner source. You will see yourself as a reflection, because art is really channeling a being that you are deep, deep, deep inside, unraveling all those layers that represent your energy. So these are the main keys and lessons I received from this channeling. You can always find something else. I didn't talk with you about some other details, but I think if you love to solve mysteries, this is exactly for you. Also, if you never tried channeling, you should try, because anyone can channel. When you follow your excitement, when you are in the flow, when time is so distorted, you just naturally do something. You create, or like you are drawing, or you're writing, or you are speaking. Let me know in the comments if you try channeling, or if you never did something like this. Also let me know, and I will make a video for you on how to start. What is it? Just we can talk about it, because it really opens your potential. It opens your sacred source. It shows the result of what your spirit and your soul goes through. Because as I said, we are the projection of what they already discovered. And now through us, we can reveal it. Thank you so much, my beautiful magical beings, for being here with me. I can't wait to share with you more keys and reveal more mysteries. And I will see you on my next video. I'm sending you all my love. Mwah! I love you.